If your Samsung tablet screen is flickering, start with the simplest fix by turning off adaptive brightness. Go to Settings, then Display, disable adaptive brightness, and manually set the brightness to a medium level, since flickering can sometimes happen at very low brightness levels. Next, restart the tablet to rule out a temporary glitch. If the problem continues, boot the device into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is causing the issue. Safe mode disables downloaded apps, so if the flickering stops, you likely need to uninstall a recently added app. You should also check for system updates by going to Settings and Software Update, because outdated firmware can create display instability. Additionally, try adjusting display settings like motion smoothness or turning off eye comfort shield, blue light filter features. If none of these steps resolve the issue, the problem may be hardware related, such as a loose display connector or failing screen panel, and backing up your data before visiting an authorized service center would be the safest next move.